Welcome back to another video, guys. Alright, so here I have one of the old fridge right here, and I am going to if you can see, I was stirring the dirt. I didn't have any manure to put in this fridge, so I have gotten a bag of manure from my neighbor, and what I'm going to do now, I am going to mix in the manure in this dirt. Some of the manure, not all of it. I'm going to mix some of it in the dirt, and then I think I'm going to use this fridge to plant some carrot seeds in it. So I'm going to use this fridge to plant some carrot seeds. So I'm going to mix in some manure in this fridge right here. So let's take out the manure, and it's dry. Manure is dry, guys. So just going to throw some in there. Right, that's about it. Now I'm going to mix it in. I'm going to mix it in. Mix it in. Let's go over this side now. Mix it in this side now. Mix it in this side now. Alright, guys, so there. I'm going with my hand. Mix it in. Mix it in. Make sure it is well mixed into the soil. And because I have on my gloves, mix it in. Guys, don't be afraid to get your hands dirty, because this is your thing, this is your farm, you're going to eat from it, so don't be afraid to get your hands dirty. especially if something that you love. Start mixing it in. There you have it. Yes, lovely chicken manure mixed in with the soil. So before I plant anything in this soil, guys, I am going to irrigate it. So I'm going to wet it first, and after I'm going to throw down my seeds. When I throw down my seeds, I'm going to wet it again, and then so this is just a preparation to show you uh, how I mix my chicken manure with my dirt for planting seeds. And this is just one of the the old refrigerator, which I have showed you guys in a video already. So please go and check that video out and see how we lay the fridge down, and we fill them with dirt, and we now mixing in the chicken manure. So I'm going to use this fridge to sow some carrot seeds in it. I'm going to use this one. I'm not sure what I'm going to use this one yet for, but I know that I'm going to use that side up there for onion seeds, because I already have the onion seeds germinating. I did a video on the germination of the when I was sowing the onion seed, but it ended up that I lost the video. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to link another video of the germination process of the onion seed, so you all can see that. So thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. And if you have a neighbor who grows chicken, goat or cow, get the manures from them and use it to mix into your soil. It is a good source of fertilization for the plants, nutrients, vitamin, minerals, whatever you want to call it. It gives your plants a lot of energy, so you don't need to buy any fertilizer. Just use the chicken manure, the goat manure, the cow manure, and you will be good. So thank you for watching the video, and I hope it was inspiring. It inspire you to grow where you are, to eat what you grow and grow what you eat. Use whatever space you have in your backyard to plant and grow your own food. Thank you for watching. Guys. So these are the onions that I have planted some time ago, about 2 weeks ago. But I did a video on these, but end up that my phone got wiped because I used my phone to video, so it got wiped. So end up that I lost all the video. So here I'm showing you the progress of the onion. They are, I don't know if you can see, they are putting out another leaf right here. So they soon ready to transplant. So probably I'll give them about another week or so before I transplant them. So I'll give them about another week before I can transplant them.